Thank you very much, BELCOF Choir. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to once again welcome all of you to this colorful, beautiful location. When the program, it is only important and expedient to find someone who is worthy to make it a successful program. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite a beautiful young lady to come and introduce to us our chairperson for this beautiful program. Shall we welcome with a round of applause, Miss Juliana Mensah. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, students. I welcome you once again to the 13th anniversary and 10th graduation of BELCOF School Complex. First of all, I'd like to use this opportunity to thank management for giving me the privilege to introduce the chairman for this occasion. Thank you so much. Without wasting much time, I have a short profile about our chairman for the occasion. The chairman for this occasion is an economist and practices as an investment consultant. He is the Chief Executive Officer of One Limited, a firm of corporate strategy and investment advisors that collaborate with a wide range of international clients with strategic business interests in Africa. N1 Limited is a member of the 03 Group, a group of companies with equity holdings in several business sectors in Ghana, including manufacturing, shipping, banking, finance, advertising, agro-processing, oil and gas, and IT services, among others. In Ghana, he also serves on corporate boards such as New World Security Limited, NOAC Limited, Reyes and Company Limited, the SGS Group, Dufresne and GTDC, and until recently served on the board of Prudential Bank Limited, where he is a founding shareholder. He is also chairman of Smith Lamnaco Lamnaco 03, an affiliate of the Bosch Group of the Netherlands. Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman is also the executive chairman of Ghana Community Network Services Limited, that is GCNet, an innovative public-private partnership involved in providing strategic B2G services to mobile government revenue and facilitate international trade in Ghana. He has been a member of the board of Ridge School in Accra since its inception. Prior to his activities in Ghana, he was based in Geneva, where as senior vice president, that is director of Société Générale de Surveillance SA, that is SGS of Geneva, Switzerland, the world industry leader in inspection, testing, and verification of services. He had overall responsibility for the global operations and strategy of their government services and programs spanning the continents of Europe, Africa, Asia, and America. The chairman holds a BA Honors degree in Economics and Accounting from Leeds University, UK. That is Leeds University Business School. An MBA with a Finance and International Business core from Columbia University. That is Columbia Business School, New York, USA, as well as a DBA from ISM, Paris, France. He is a member of the Royal Economic Society as well as the American Finance Association. He is also president of the Swiss Ghana Chamber of Commerce. The chairman has received several business achievement awards, including Outstanding Leadership, CEO of the Year, IT Personality, among others, for several years from different industry groups. In addition to his professional responsibilities, he is the Akropong Hene of Amonokro and Imponton Hene of the Akuapem State, under the stool name Nana Ewuku Sechi. This honorable chairman was born on 7th August 1960. He is married to Cynthia Afale Omabo, that is Ni Odoi Size, and has 3 beautiful children. Ladies and gentlemen, students, with a standing ovation, let's make welcome the chairman for the occasion, Dr. Nate Kwashi Omabo. Please let's clap for our chairman. Thank you. Mr. Chairman, we welcome you to this beautiful occasion. I present to you your audience, your chairman. Thank you.
Let's do, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. A round of applause. Mama yemo and seven my chairman. Mama yemo and seven my chairman. We will now take the chairperson's response. Respectfully, Chair.
Thank you, thank you. Juliana, where are you? You know, you have done research, deep research. I am so honored and thank you very much. You went very, very far. But you forgot to mention that I support the Black Stars and we will win tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, my good friend, Kwejo Ofe, Father Nathan, very good to see you. Parents, teachers, students, little stars, bright future. Good morning to you all. And you know, today I'm very happy. I'm very happy because, you know, we started about 2-3 years ago. And I was approached by your able director to come to a graduation ceremony. Unfortunately, with the onslaught of COVID, it was not possible. So I am extremely happy that eventually we have managed to come this morning. I am also very happy to see Reverend Nathan here this morning. You know, I have known him for several years. He was here in Akropong and then Mampong and now in Chebi. And just last week, he celebrated 10 years in the ministry serving God. Let us thank God for his life. Let us congratulate him. Unfortunately, I could not be there, but I was represented by my wife, Cynthia. Ladies and gentlemen, but what pleases me the most about this school is what it has done, what it is doing, and what it will do. I am so happy. The theme for this year says it all. 13 years of nurturing great minds, because that is exactly what this school stands for. And your motto, Little Stars, Bright Future, is another way of saying excellence, excellence, excellence. So after 13 years, I would like to proclaim that henceforth this school will be known and called a center of excellence for nurturing young minds into the future. Congratulations to you all. Let us remember and congratulate the founding fathers and mothers, Mrs. Comfort Brikram, for her vision, and following on from her, all the teachers, the administrators, and equally importantly, the parents, for the confidence and support they have shown. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's world, and young pupils, listen very carefully. In today's world, there are only three things that are important for the advancement of every society. Segana Bay here, these three things are important. Number one is knowledge. Number two is knowledge. And pupils, number three is what? Knowledge. Nothing more, nothing else. It is knowledge that will determine how we impact our society, and it is these great minds that will collectively bring progress and prosperity to our country. My good friend, your director, told me about the big plans you have, to build a learning center, laboratories, etc. I can assure you that we will pay very, very close attention to this, and we will support this noble cause. I give you that commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few remarks, let me once again congratulate BELCOF on these 13th anniversary and graduation ceremonies. We wish you well. We pray for wisdom and discernment to guide the leadership and the teachers. For the pupils, I see a bright future for all of you. You should continue to seek values of discipline. It is very important. Discipline, discipline. Seek values of excellence, excellence, persistence, and commitment. These are what will transform the bright minds to useful societies, useful members of society in the future. With these few remarks, I thank you for inviting me here to chair this occasion. I wish you all well, and may God continue to bless this wonderful school. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair, for accepting to chair this occasion. Distinguished, I want to now seize the opportunity to introduce to you other equal important distinguished dignitaries who have joined us for this beautiful program. I introduce to you the Municipal Director of Education for Akuapem North in the person of Mr. Lawrence Ja. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Papa, you're warmly welcome. I also want to introduce to you the founder of this school, a very wonderful woman who taught me when I was in class 1 at Mamfi Presby Primary School. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we welcome Mrs. Comfort Brikram. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause. Mama, you're welcome. I also introduce to you the PTA chairman for this noble school in the person of Reverend Father Canon Nathan Ishmael Diodu. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Joining us also is the MPP constituency chairman, Honorable Omani Mensa Bonsu. A round of applause. Honorable, you're warmly welcome. I also want to introduce to you a very beautiful woman who formerly used to be the project consultant for USAID. And also, I just happen to know that she is the wife of the chair for this program. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we? A round of applause. Welcome, Madam Cynthia Omabo. A big round of applause. Mesanso ama awofu nyina akwaba. Awofu ayewa nyina mama yemonse maye ho. Awofu ayewa nyina yedam wasi bebree. Without you, there will be no BELCOF School Complex. At this time, we shall have cadet display. Cadet display. Let's welcome our cadets, our affable cadets, with a big round of applause. Come to give us some beautiful drills. Oh, Mumaya fans the Bonchao, Mumaya fans the Bonchao. Wow, this is beautiful. This is BELCOF Navy cadets. Isembo, 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 Isembo. The commander of the parade is Air Force Commander Nketia Hom. And the RSM of the parade is Sergeant Asari. Now we are about to pour the colors. Marching on the colors. That's the Ghana flag and BELCOF school flag. Commander of the colors, that's inside commander, Calif Deputy, is the one holding the Ghana flag. Behind him is the sergeant major. 0. Now, coming for inspection.
graduation drill come up with 22 men, one commission officer, Mount Sinai police band in attendance, inspection, and I, the chairman of the program, Cadet ASP, the director, I have your permission for your and other personalities will join the master in chief of the cadet for their inspection. It's time for bank inspection. Now they are done inspecting of the bank. Now the review officers will come back to their position for their parade commander to continue the rest of the drill. Sir, inspection over. May I have your permission to carry on with the rest of the parade? Carry on. Permission granted.
going to the help of the band and all the people, parents, invited guests, and the chairman, we all stand up for the national anthem.
Band, national salute. Pray, sing, and pray, show, and
The commander will call the band to troop.
pray, in close to dead, march, 4, 3, band, shoot.
The band major is Police Sergeant. The band is Hak Bangsenan. Parents, as they are displaying, and it's nice to help us get a set of band like this. Now, the parade commander for the parade twice.
Pray! Bang! By center! Slow! March! First contingent will turn to their right, second will turn to their left, color party will move about 10. Pray! Turn!
We started the format.
Turn! Let's wheel! Let's wheel! Let's wheel! Shorter paces. Saluting to the front. Front salute. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Let's wheel!
Now the contingent turn to the right. The parade commander will continue the rest of the parade.
Squad advance. Move to your left in 3. Left. Turn. Sir, may I have your permission to hand over the commanding duties to the incoming commanding officer of the cadet corps and also master of the color party?
Permission has been granted.
Now, Commander Ketia Hall is the former commander for BELCOF Air Force Cadets. He's about to hand over to the new commander.
Incoming OC to the front.
The name Commander Apia Angelo Gadu. Clap for him. As the former commander initiates him to the office. Now, the former commander is going to hand over the sword to the new cadet commander. Now, the swearing of the power is done.
Band.
Now, the parade commander is going to march off the colors.
Color party. March out the colors. Hey. Stand up.
The color escort is Lance Corporal Uraku Otis and Lance Corporal Bena. Now, the commander is marching off from the square so that the new commander will continue with the rest of the parade.
Rain. Shut day out. First contingent. Move 3 paces to your left. March. One. Form. 2 rounds.
Now,
One.
we're about to start the
Four.
format.
4 rounds.
This is
One.
the forming of the
Salute
4
to the
rounds.
front. Front. Salute. One. Move to left. Raise. Left. Left.
Saluting to the left.
Right. Salute. One. Two. Raise. Raise. Bounce. Left. One. Raise. Salute. Left. Left. Salute. One. Move to left. Raise. Left. Left. Swap. Form. 2 rounds. Swap. In close to the mat.
BELCOF School Complex. We are doing so much to train these young ones to become gallant soldiers of the nation. They have done so well. About the review order with the 14 steps. And then play the school anthem for us. That's the school anthem. Due respect, can we all stand up for the school anthem? Now, the parade commander march of the contingent from the square. Permission granted.
Squad, by the right, quick, march at 2.
now the cadet is marching off. Please, can you clap for them? Clap for them. Please clap for them.
Oh, let's do it better, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it better. They have done very, very, very well. Honorable MC for Akuapem North Municipal has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we welcome him a round of applause as he comes to sit down. The Honorable Municipal Chief Executive for Akuapem North has arrived to grace the occasion. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you to the 13th anniversary celebration and graduation ceremony of BELCOF School Complex. Education is the passport to the future. For the future is for those who prepare today. Monimina Abaya Junise, BELCOF School Complex. A young woman, Siankwa, and a Chewaha. Yedimofano fa intito pem. Young Air Force cadet aba abe display ema yenyina ye hu. Pepenso ye dui ye wo mofra bia won ano atew yiye na woni manwensem ka. Enti ye beto nsa afre Shara ene emat na won aba abeda bibi kakra e di akyere. Mama ye fansem bo dede ene osibo and welcome you. Shara and emat.
Mitamo, Medinde Shara, Into Medinde Ma'at. And today, we'll be singing a song for you, Inner Beauty. It's all about the inner beauty. It's so unique. It's all about the person inside that gives me a natural high. So don't look at my body and tell me that I'm beauty, 'cause you don't even know me, and I know that you can't see. So don't look at my lips, my eyes, and tell me that I'm so fine. Don't look at my waistline and tell me that I'm a dime. Don't look at what I wear. Don't look at the looks of my hair. Don't look at my body. Stop trying to master me. So you have no clue, you see, clue about the inner beauty. Sometimes I wish I could say so, but I know that's not the way it goes. Lord knows that's not the way it goes. I decided to stay true and follow all the rules. Find my own beauty in here, 'cause I know it's not what I wear, or even how I put my hair. So don't look at my lips, my eyes, and tell me that I'm so fine. Don't look at my waistline and tell me that I'm a dime. Don't look at what I wear. Don't look at the look of my hair. Don't look at my body. Stop trying to measure me. So ladies, that's just how I know if a man is really close. So even know about the inner beauty. Even though that makes me unique. Not my body, but my inner beauty.
Maya mo ensema wo, maya mo ensema wo. Wong abetunyom wenwen wam ede ama yenyina samri na anwinsem. Ebeto yensa from Miriam. any SB now one by my and you say, Mumaya Moyensem. Yabesre, our phonum, I yeshebua. Said you made in the area, na ayefa, ye moyensem, ye did. Na yes, so and chatty. Mumaya and chatty, na ye fair. This program is being organized to support the school. Into your best friend, na chatty. Your moyensem, ye did. Never you made in here. Mumaya moyensem, Mumaya moyensem, Mumaya moyensem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nanano, attitude. Men and mejanum are a shame waha. Me mamma trans you. Me did the adobia miria. Made in few dupiaco. Me was not pen etos enu. Man is a barbecue. Watch me this. On my papa sorry. On my papa sorry. Can't hobo into a 1 mile throw. BELCOF school throw. Bra bra. In chair obi. In share obi. Sorry na yensi. On my papa sorry. 1 mile throw. BELCOF school throw. Near Nanan Dija in Chima na yen mama. Oba time pa equia asabia break crime. I should any mushu to asi. On my papa sorry. Na diabako en ye kwai. Obiako suro egua egu. Nana no etitu. Awufuno ni penfu a ehiem wa ha. Mama ya sorry na yensi. Na ya de BELCOF school isi ho. Okuapema ye. Mama ya sorry na yensi. Na yensi ese na okuapema enya nenta manpa efra. Medamo ase.
This brief is from Miss Comfort Bertram. The battle. It takes courage, determination, focus, prayers, and God's protection to win a battle. Most people go to the battlefield and comes back with nothing because they don't have the courage, focus, determination. But Miss Comfort Bertram faced a battle most women and men couldn't stand. She fought with courage, determination, focus, prayers, to win this great battle to bring BELCOF School Complex to Akropong. Parents say thank you for giving their ones a better future through nurturing. The youth says they are proud for the opportunity given to them for working under institutions. Mr. Bergman, Director of the school and staff, learners of BELCOF School Complex says God bless you for your support to raise the banner of education in the Akuapem North District. Long live Akuapem, long live BELCOF School Complex. I am Esme Ohinbabia Animalaru. Thank you.
Oh, Mumaya Moyen Sem, let you imagine in your fair. Sir Utie, he near Odikan Kasai no kind. Na Osan Sutie, Brofo, not to swear being Sukaya. Like I said, BELCOF School Complex. Yari boy, a woman, Mumma Musemaya, Mumma Musemaya. We are training these children for the future because we believe that they are the future generation. Yenim say NKBR no a president, especially a female president. Ebefi Akuapem na minim say obefi BELCOF School Complex. Oh, mama say. Baby I had you say yeda edi. Bibi kakra bi extra mo. Eye akyerɛkyerɛfo modern ba wɔrebɔ sɛ wɔ training mu frɛ ɛwɔ choreography nti samri yɛbɛyɛ performance kakra bi akyerɛ mo na midi kankan no adɔfo no ma yɛhyɛ mu wɔ ha momma yɛmma dwumadi no yɛ soronko na ɛnyɛ fɛ nti obi yɛ bibi na ɛwɔ fa ɛyɛ nsɛmbɔ na moakyɛ ade nti samri choreography the floor is yours.
All the many things you've done for me. Words are not enough. The Lord, you are my everything. How can I express my gratitude? All the many things, Father, you done for me. Yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. The Lord, you are my everything. I call you Lord. Authenticado, oh, this is so beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is just beautiful. All right. Oh, one shot. Oh, whoever. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This is just beautiful. What's not enough time? That's the way that I feel for all you have done. One, two. Hey. Papa, collect the glory and the honor and the rest of the world. Nobody thinks like us. Take the glory and the honor and the rest of the world. Give it to them, ladies and gentlemen. Alpha and Omega, your glory, go on the air. Jehovah, anything you talk, you do. You get the power. Say, he like the believer. Hosanna, the edge of the sin, hallelujah. You know the lie, you know the lie, you know the carry my matter. All right. When you try to know, you know the difference from generation to generation, from Nigeria to Jamaica. You know they carry us, you know they carry us. Okay. Hotel, take God, okay? Hotel, take God, okay? Hotel, take God, okay? Hotel.
round of applause. Oh, they are doing just fantastic. They're doing just fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. We did suffer, but they suffer, no they pay. We did hustle every day. We did suffer, but they suffer, no they pay. No they pay. Girl. Mama 19, 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 Mama 19. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause, beautiful performance by these wonderful young children. And the program no INTE. Now, a fair and Sagra, now a grown over best. Your number one MC, original energy on the microphone, lock up the show. Can't hold this like you don't know somebody number one. Lock up everywhere, explain about now. Sorry, baby, do you know? Yes, I'm so, my friend B. I want so get training one our baby be kakre be actually na answer no over no the person is na me da attitude abeka yen say di editure mu nyina. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are very privileged this morning to have the representative of the president in Akuapem North, that is the municipal chief executive. Yenyina den sembo any day welcome me. Honorable Berima Erasabong Sedula MC for Akropong Municipal. Honorable, you are warmly welcome. Sanso Ena Opayi, Deputy in charge of all schools in the Akropong North. Aya Opayinga, Homasina, Nina Shaninsa, Oshese, Acheche for Bachadi. Namu Franco Esiade. Your friend is the head of supervision and monitoring. Omaya fans and workers and welcome me. Mr. Nicholas Bakuda from a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Mr. Nicholas Bakuda. Also introduce to you the for NMG Group. Ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause, shall we welcome Mr. Michael. Wonderful. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Give us a show. I'm a Muna, Papa P. What I said, Jubilee and say, and the 30th anniversary celebration and a graduation ceremony. And a YSM Waha. Summary, your work, Mufabia, forces, so steppers. So steppers. Over performance. The summary is so steppers. If you are ready, shall we welcome them? Shall we welcome them?
Greetings to you all. My name is Nana Oye Ajani. I am a soul stepper. What is stepping? Stepping is a particular form of dance that can be done with or without the use of music. It's making rhythms and beats with your body. Who is a soul stepper? A soul stepper is a person committed to the structure and discipline of the teachings of this class. Students are taught to have self-awareness, confidence, pride in one's own ability, and the importance of unity. Who created this class? This class was founded by Efia Chinembuakodua, a mother, artist, and community organizer, born and raised in the U.S. in Southern California. Los Angeles is what she started this class with at the Audubon Middle School student back in 2002. She has taught rite of passage programs and designed many different educational workshops for middle school and high school students over the last decade. She currently works as a massage therapist here in Ghana, where she currently resides in Akropong Akuapem Mountains. Thank you.
Three, two, one.
Attention! 1, 2. Everybody get that beat. Everybody get that beat.
Oh man, no better than they.
Who is stepping for? We. Who is stepping for? We. Who is stepping for? We. We stepping for Penny Lundena, who lost her eye fighting the struggles, fighting for liberation from us. That's why today we know your tongue. We stepping for Marcus Garvey. We started UNIA party to build a black nation for us. To rule ourselves and have black love. We stepping for Kwame Nkrumah, who gave us freedom and unity. Want us to be revolutionary. That's why today Ghana is free. We stepping for Yasantewa, who gave up what people will do to save Ghana and the golden sea. For this today we honor you. We stepping for Malcolm X, who put the whole world in check. He stood for the human rights of people. And anything is necessary. We're stepping for people like you. Open your eyes to the truth. The truth of what happened with you. For the liberation of me and you.
Oh, mama boy and said my own. Mama boy and said my own. So stepping. In fact, mama a lot of steps. Now one dance is so unique and quintessential. Oha. Now you are considering where you want to take your world to. Open school, papa. At a cheerful napping. That was answering a kukudama. You don't have to look anywhere. BELCOF School Complex is the place for you. The best school currently on the range. We want to encourage each and every one of you here to bring your word to this beautiful school, and you will never ever regret. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we want to listen to a speech from the director of the school. With a big round of applause, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we welcome Director Miss Joe Ofe Brefa. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Honorable MC, invited guests, parents, ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense delight that I welcome you to BELCOF School Complex to celebrate with us our 13th anniversary and 10th graduation. On behalf of the founder, Mrs. Kamfan, the PT, the entire peoples, I bid you a happy Akropong and pray that your presence today here will give us an indelible imprint in the life of BELCOF School Complex. Background. 13 years ago, Mrs. Kamfan, who after serving as a professional teacher for close to 40 years, decided to establish Bethel Daycare and Crèche with only 9 pupils, 2 teachers, a cook in a 2-minute classroom block in Akropong. As a retired educationist, she impacted her knowledge and skills backed by solid wisdom foundation to few children entrusted to her care. Bethel Daycare was nurtured over the years and through hard work and perseverance has transformed to today's BELCOF School Complex. By the grace of God and the dint of hard work, the school can now boast of 3 levels, that is preschool, primary, and junior high school, picking up of about 300 pupils. The staff strength is about 25, both teaching and non-teaching. The school is currently having 19 classroom blocks and a computer lab. Academics. Mr. Chairman, we are happy to mention that the school has trained a number of children over the years within the Akropong Ridge, and with great pride, the first batch of candidates were presented for the just ended BECE certificate examination, which, with all the hard work, time, and effort displayed by both staff and students, we are certain that our big 6, as we call them, will surely give us nothing but a 100% pass rate. Achievement. Our Chairman, honorable members, distinguished guests. BELCOF School Complex has over the years participated in various competitions, and I am happy to say that our great school was adjudged the best French school by the Ghana National French School Association, Akropong in the municipality, in the year 2021. Again, we were adjudged the best participating school in the 59th Independence Anniversary celebration in 2016. It is also worthy to note that BELCOF School Complex has maintained its A-grade status both in Ghana Education Service and the social welfare grading over the past years. Furthermore, the school has received an award from Accra City Entertainment for being the best preschool in Akropong and the best director, my humble self. As part of our mission, BELCOF School as an institution in general believes in the general well-being of its people. It is in this regard that the school has engaged the services of psychologists to deal with people's emotional concerns and also educate parents on how to handle their wars, emotions, and behavior as emotions as they grow. The school has over the years worked hard to acquire 29 seater bus, which you can see up there, which shuttles the people from home to school, making community simpler and easier for the people in the nearby communities. BELCOF School Complex has been organizing periodic in-service training workshops for its staff to help them be always abreast with the current teaching methodologies. There is a saying that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. In the light of this, BELCOF School Complex, in collaboration with the Health Directorate, has instituted a series of health programs such as Egg Day, Fruit Day, Vegetable Day, and Health Walk, including hikes, to inculcate and promote healthy living among peoples. For proper monitoring of pupils in the classroom and classroom activities in the school, management has embarked on ongoing closed-circuit television, that is CCTV cameras, in almost all the classrooms. We hope to complete on the compound and everywhere that matters to the school. The only school in the municipality with such facility. Over the years, the school has organized career and family fun day for the pupils, and I must say that it has been well received and attended by parents. Another chairman invited guests. BELCOF Complex believes in charity. Another chairman is aware of our charity in the society. I'm happy to announce that over the years, the school has granted or awarded scholarship to 25 pupils in the community, 25 needy but brilliant students. Their fees, everything's being taken care of by the school. And as every institution has its good side, BELCOF School too has its challenges, and I'd like to mention a few of them. One of our major challenges in the school is school fees, the non or delayed payment of fees. The school funding is paid on school fees by parents. So parents delay in fees paying and end up drawing their case, which leave the school with no other option than to perhaps sack the school children for non-payment of school or go elsewhere for money to pay salaries, which makes it difficult to run the school. On this one, I'd like to urge parents to pay all their fees promptly for us to be able to serve them well. Also, parents don't help their wards with the school homework they give them. And so I'd like to encourage parents to assist their kids with their homework and other exercises given to them. Another chairman, BELCOF School Complex has become a household name, and our numbers keep increasing, which has overstretched our facilities. We therefore plead for support from all the assembly to come to our aid to improve on our facilities. Aspirations. As for club, as we are all aware, time have changed with technology, which now plays a key role in the world. We as an institution have seen the importance to adjust to the current education trend, of which introduction of science, technology, and math, which we call STEM, to help students is the key. BELCOF School Complex is positioning itself well to leverage on this. In view of this, we have we're in collaboration to, in view of this, we wish to solicit funds to help establish math and science library, our kids. It is our fervent hope that when the facility is completed, it will serve in and around the Akropong community. BELCOF School Complex is also in talks with e-campus and online portal in experts in school to assist the teachers and people to learn smarter through an improved and enhanced technology. This will equip teachers and pupils with how to improve teacher-learner relationship and also help them to know their strengths and weaknesses through feedback to promote excellence. Another, I'm happy to mention to you that they are here, they will set up for us to see how it operates when I finish talking. To my graduating students, I take this opportunity to congratulate you for another success shock in your lives. Let BELCOF School Complex values be your guide wherever you find yourself. Little stars, bright future. Appreciation. Every good work deserves a commendation. I would therefore like to express my profound gratitude to everyone who helped shape BELCOF to make it what it is today. To my indefatigable PTA chairman, Reverend Itanode, and your executives, we say thank you. To the parents who are always there for us, thanks for your trust reposed in us. God richly bless you all. Last but not least, to my dear mother, Mrs. Comfort Brigram, and founder of this school, who tireless effort and dedication over the years to great feat. Myself and the staff of BELCOF School Complex like to give you every assurance that this is just by the starting point. Be comforted knowing that you have left BELCOF School Complex in capable hands, and by the grace of God, we shall continue to live and enjoy the fruit of your labor in the coming years. Madam will say, I go. As I bring my report to an end, I would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas in advance, a Merry Christmas and Happy Day in advance. Long live Bell School Complex. Long live Akropong North. Long live Ghana. Thank you.
Oh, Mumaya and Sem, my director. Thank you very much, director, for a very insightful report about the school. I will follow my Yeshemwaha, director Casanemono, a person near Ma Bacon, and near being so. O my who is a school no, I am a private school had no, I call it Nim. Na ekɔ n'anim a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛhia new classrooms na yɛtumi agye mmɔfra no bebree aka ho na ɛyɛ mmɔdemmɔ a ɛyɛ akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ ne school mpanyin no ɛbɔ ɛno nti na yɛhu sɛ mmɔfra no dodoɔ no ɛrekɔ wɔn anim ɛna ɔsan so ma yɛhu sɛ school no ɛsiane sɛ wɔdwen mmɔfra adesua ho nti no wɔn ama mmɔfra 25 scholarship brilliant but needy children. School no ana afa one school fees and bibia efa won adesua ho. San so no me hu say school no pese one institute maths and science club. Na mofra no ma one maths and science ko anim. Send be ya mofra no be kodre maths and science mo. San so na oda PTA chair ase. Wabon homework papa or that executive say and of course we can't leave parents out. My boy and papa and I church and it will be biara or boy school no. Na assemble or the two you know say. Aya awofo ye boy homework school fees tuamu. Nemu nem a delay. Na school no person a survey ufano ye na wonyin beye mpanyimpa. Na so obeti ma yesa SSS school fees no utua no wano enti yeri yutu akwanya yi e de abo awofo abaso na yakai won say school fees no aya woma eyentem imaye yeda mu nyina ase summary the MCE for Akuapem North or ha na on to be such a beautiful program na on betinasia na onko orin can be enche adofo no ma yehye mu ha yɛde nsɛmbɔ dede ɛne osɛmbɔ ɛbɛwɔ ɔkame honorable very man wua sapɔ ɛsi edu labi a big round of applause ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much Mr. NC and actually with your now stand on the existing protocol. Please good afternoon to everyone. Hello. Honor ɛwɔ ha ne nyinaa no mabɔ akwa aso awofo ne nyinaa mo bia akwa now, the brain to say you keep showing continuous support for your own children. The thing is, we don't have any. It's answer family daddy. We must be geared towards the development of the kids. And until our phone, because our phone, no more just so our phone make our phone, no more just to say yeah do yemba. Our phone, and until I will continue with my speech.
On behalf of the Akuapem North Municipal Assembly, I wish to On behalf of the Akuapem North Municipal Assembly, I wish to congratulate the school board, the PTA, staff, and pupils of BELCOF School Complex. Hello. I wish to congratulate the school board, the PTA, the staff and pupils of BELCOF School Complex on this special memorable occasion of your 13th anniversary celebration. I want to greatly commend the founder of this noble institution for the vision, courage, and fortitude galvanized in establishing the school from a very humble beginning that has grown through thick and thin to its current status as a well-organized basic school in the municipality. Indeed, the journey of 1,000 miles, they say, begins with a step. On the occasion of this great achievement, may I urge the current leadership to do a deep reflection on the success chalked thus far and fashion our strategy, plans to deal with the numerous challenges that confront the school in order to reposition on a greater and higher academic pedestal that the school deserves. To the PTA and other affiliates of the school, I wish to state that this is the time in life of the school when your resource support, which includes financial, infrastructure, academic, etc., are critically needed in contributing your quota to make the school a beacon of both academic and moral excellence in the municipality and the country at large. To the students, it is essential for you to appreciate the fact that it took the toil and painstaking efforts of the founder in offering you this wonderful opportunity for receiving quality education for your personal development. I urge you all to make hay while the sun shines by seizing this lifetime privilege by taking your studies seriously, shunning unhelpful behaviors and habits, and submitting yourself to the guidance and discipline of your teachers. This is the only way to excel and make your parents, the school, and the municipality proud of you for the invaluable investment made in you. Finally, I wish to pledge the unflinching support of the Municipal Assembly in helping the school move into the future with a brighter, greater, and higher course for development and upliftment of Okuapem and our dear nation. Once again, I want to use this opportunity to congratulate the entire school community for going through all the routes that has brought you this far within the 13 years past. We can see a bigger and brighter future with BELCOF. And so we urge everyone to participate in the development of this school. Not necessarily having your child here, but at least this is the shining step that we all have to take to making sure that the school becomes the epitome of excellence within this municipality. Once again, I congratulate all of you and I wish you happy anniversary. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable MC. Yebeda was said, ne, what me abba abetaying a D. I will Jumedi and Tisemo. Summary, E Campus, CEO, Ewaha, Mr. Cecil, Nutako. Obese, all your presentation, Kakrebi, into the Sembo, Ebe welcoming. CEO of E Campus. Mumemo and Sempan welcoming.
Good afternoon. How for you're doing right? How for many pass no affair or director no in a cool school or keeper. Your school those days. Time you sure buy a couple, I there. So, your mammy was school. They are over na Colano or many at that cheaper. You school and over far, obey a director now. Start to be normal or new things at the bar school. At Yano, cry only, Kumasini, Senegal, South Africa, Kenya. Yeah, use your software now. Collide this ebe bo ma pass on more exams. Ye bo mo ebe ye BEC, omo be ye WAST, omo be ye nursing exams, midwifery exams, Ghana School of Law, aviation law. It's yes, I know man our company e-campus. And the corona no buy no, and my obia be who say addition ayesua wo phone so ana computer so no eno so eye addition eye addition na yetina classroom nko ana eye addition menim say awofo bebre wo ho a se nkola no wo phone so a eye omo fin say omo di agro phone nya ade a di agro nko a yetumi di phone enso di sua de enya da achipa and a choir who are for no be fast one, who be shed Nkolana, or we use phone now, or moon fine, a grown choir. It's the way I e-campus. Subjects be our school. I am math, English, social studies, French, cultural studies, integrated science. Nini now or e-campus. Past questions now, why heck? Edia year exams 1993, Akropong 2021. Nini now or Yashisha no topic. And tis a colano our phone so now or try past questions now. Maybe after 30 days, I 1 month. Who are who for who bet me who said, Edia topic say. Topic says sets. I want mathematics mono. When you have 100 points, but topic bit is simultaneous equation no, on number 20 points. To be so, I can idea was sets no more than no idea was simultaneous equation. And say yes, and I only the way of a boa. Teacher no so on him so akola we have more. Now exams need bear. Teachers for no topics are here why you buy exams. And you bet in your monitor that topics so oh. As I at least 1,000 points. That was those topics. So I know so cultural exams now. Obenya bear 75% IAA. So Obenya 40% IAD. We have moon peki and to Uber Marpala at the seriousness aka additional now one. Way very important because our for no show more say and I'm about the on your idea or mass. Let me be so say mass and him fat and on your idea. Our for him do any myself by the on your idea or mass. And so Bani use e-campus say you bet me oh mass no a probability topic no na on your idea. But about factorization and ever statistics are or your idea. And today now who na bem say the mass nyade because who know him and now software this is e-campus no and who here pa because akola there onim so oh me idea of factorization me idea was simultaneous me idea was set a probability kwa na me ho chire me at least owa kokwadro owa gide or any chase or any dear me yire me ho but woman you say na mass kran ho nyade who bu na bem esa no who mass kwa na yem hihye no who mass teacher na no suro mass no so wan sua untumi nya hwe wo wiase Unantipuna uni masa obeti mi apatre. Ko un 2 9 year. Bibia ye calculation. And so ya man kolani shuro masa. And to Usman Grana or Jesus Ampoa. Na mas na bitino. Oba no asa bono sense anyway. And so one man and in mathematics no. And software is a e-campus. Muma, your man kolani yuzu more now. Ebema or Marco Quadro, or it gives them confidence. Who got choice? Let me say, for example, 2002, Honomo, we got your me SSE, Manyadi, we got your remedials, Manyadi, we got your third one, Manyadi, after they know be a so well. Timmy besides, oh, and yet to me, software and not two be I bet me at them say, oh, before I'm a got your exams, no. Menya A and a menya B and a menya C. That be any horse 2003. And I'm Sadia, you bet build it be. And then ya and then your countries 9. Kola use your software. And you prepare for exams. You won't say, oh, exams I'm a go train. Menya 85%. To me pass. And tell something about the young no. I thought I am sure I call on him. I didn't pass. I am sure start work. No, not Thomas. But say on him say or you ready because he can say or you ready. Now cook draw or I did be chance of exams no or better ye on continue on financial you on that after exams or two. And to me from my job. Director ebe hu ye no yes oh we dey asempa. The GSS phone na you don be to e-campus so. For the first time now on the was no. Ya ebe faka no se omuso mu ye ma ena ye do awufo ye do ye ma awufo unim dachi ebe on wan se nkola ya mu wa hai dachi baako beba be ye CEO e-campus baako beba be ye marketing manager wo e-campus baako kra be timi abe ye board chairman e wo e-campus and yes so all done it no. From next time, just as funny in you don't bet to campus. Or move here at least 20 minutes and say over Quacoda. Where we any homework in Ancasano. 20 minutes as I could Quacodano. Therefore, phone no money. The campus. Money answer questions need be. On share videos need be. Or Koda no have a head or ye. No have points on ya. Wait me a money target. Oh, question. Would you mean 100 points by the end of the month? Mebo mi se mama ana meto biscuit poama ni nyina na ode eden ode sua ade enti awofo ye baya any asema ana how do you put that one? That's the mission that we are here for, and we are very happy we're here. We want to help more and we need your help so we can help each other. Men bono se or phone so we job. The whole world, in Colombia, we are doing mathematics, any science. Singapore for Angola. Or we are serving in 2015. Country or toss last, Ghana. Nigeria for Poma, Bempona, or Mabetos last. Identity because Singapore for no, only the phones and the Shan here fitting collaborate. Phone no, you bet me a blocking your mana, M% collaborate. Now the only best Shan there no one was. Memboa Colana said, we use phone. They say phone po the control satellite. All the day agro say obo one phone ya na go yes nyama obetimi e de aboa Ghana ma. Timpama jo phone enya di boni. E ya de a wodi ye no e na ye boni. Wo a wo ye panyin po no nyama do phone no so wa wo ya onim say enye. Iso ye. Enti enye phone no e na ya di boni. E ye ni use no. Ti mo ye monitor nkola no. Ne mpo mo no mo use technology and advance your career.
Oh, our for your boy and some, Mama and some ye. You better in campus, CEO, I say when ya a dream pa after BELCOF school, Mufraho. Na owo eni da so se opese mofra nyina enyin na wo meye mpanyin pa se in campus ye chance a bigeni say in the next 5 years Frebe school hangina obeka 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. Kwa na ama school no akonenim. BELCOF currently the best school in French. Akuapem North. Mom say. And you know, umato cool our friends Club de Français. Club de Français. And you wapasa wapa na wababy big a be a chair. And Mr. DJ, if you are ready, Club de Français, they are ready. Umaya fancy book a shower. Club de Français. Club de Français.
Munchade, l'argent, un problème. C'est un peu de Munchade, il y a du French name. Yebada a club ifanse for asi. Na a honorable member of parliament. Also double as deputy trade minister. Director Eto Nsa Efreno. Na esanse Jumedi ni dos 20 no. Na kasa entimi amba. Ma MC bijana name. Na also pese adofo no ma ehye nyina wa abu se. Director nkoma on ne di nyina no. Obehwe na wama abem. Nti okamo ho e wo spirit mu. We efi eye honorable member of parliament. Nana ama siama bekuya. And then I see the brain. You buy a sketch from students of BELCOF Complex. Ume ya fancy mboka say, Isha umra oba, abuy a sketch. As I said, you made no endorsement, a honorable MC. So pesa ho brasim, osre kwa na okoso ekotua no dwumadi ni so. Enti se muni nyina ba ya adwene dia na yerema honorable kwan na watimi akotua dwumadi aka nyina so. Honorable, thank you so much for coming to grace this occasion for us. We are very grateful to you.
Hello. Hello. Is anybody at home?
Yes, he's an entrance.
Oh, princess, I miss you so much.
Also miss you. Come and sit down.
Thank you.
So hi, how have you been?
I've been so well.
Like, where have you been?
My parents just relocated from the capital city to the south.
Oh, I see. You guys are welcome.
Thank you so much. And back then, I met so many people in my apartment. Everything there is so wonderful. I visited so many places, had a lot of friends, and yeah.
That's so nice.
Now I have to attend a new school here. Please, where do you attend school?
I'm a student
students of BELCOF School Complex, a noble institution established by a renowned and seasoned educationist.
Okay, so tell me, why do you choose to attend BELCOF School Complex when there are so many other schools in town?
You know what?
Princess, you have to tell me.
Even though there are so many other schools in town, one certainly stands out and tops all, and that is BELCOF School Complex.
Wow, wow. So tell me, what makes your BELCOF school the best among all?
The proprietor of the school, Mr. Brickline, is just a wonderful gentleman with excellent managerial skills and well, the teachers are just classic and phenomenal.
Hey, then tell me more.
Their commitment to work, patience and understanding of the rudiments of handling students is just so outstanding.
You're making me jealous of your school already.
Hold a second.
What?
That's not all. They speak to the students with dignity and treat them with utmost respect. Even when a student misbehaves, they have a special way of ensuring that they do the right thing.
This is getting quite interesting.
Yes, I believe you know that Ghana shares boundaries with French-speaking countries,
Yes.
and therefore it is instructive that we learn French. Do you know my BELCOF school is the best French school in the Akuapem North?
Really?
Yes.
That's very impressive.
Le père précieux ne font pas de bruit.
What does that mean?
To which we make no noise.
Then your mates must be very good in French.
Yes. And on top of that, the school has remained its status as a Category A basic since its inception.
Wow. I'm so elated about what I've heard and can't wait to inform my parents.
Just hold on a second. Our first batch of BCE candidates just wrote their exam. I'm confident that they'll excel with flying colors.
In fact, you have whetted my appetite.
Let's go and see the proprietor.
Okay. You know what? I met 2 French-speaking girls back then when I was in the city. I'll come to the office, so when I go there, I'll speak French with them.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me see you.
Now you go. Let's take a pic.
Oh, Momo Musem. Sir, Utie Profile Mufrey Aka. Biara HSM BELCOF is the best school in Akuapem North. Momo Musem. Yada mo nyinaa si bio sɛ motimi aba na mabɛka nsa ɛnɛ dwumadi a yɛredi sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a sukuu ɛbɛtumi ɛtumpɔn akɔ nim na obi biara ate sukuu no din na mo a ɛba ha nso akɔ wɔn anim na wɔn anyin abɛyɛ mpanyimpa samre ɛwɔ ɔpanyin onuonyamfo bi a onyankopɔn mmɔsra ɛwɔ no so waba Oriba beti yɛn anim na ɔne yɛn adi nkɔmmɔ bi nkɔmmɔ na ɔne yɛn bɛdi no ahobrɛasew yɛsrɛ sɛ obiara bɛtie no aso pɛm na obiara bɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ ɔde ne ho bɛhyɛ mu na amadi no ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ samre bɛto me nsa de afrɛ Reverend Father Canon Nathan Ishmael Diodo womayɛmfa nsɛm bɔ kɛse hyia no mme ɔrebɛn.
Hello. Therefore, Medamas. Sania, Papa no kind. Sika impeded in Tibiridi, Sika na Mebai, in Tiboko, Yakon and Temptem. They are to swap being a breako 12:15, meta and San Abon. The Jady said, well, by action. If you move the one son of no two it's a say for another one. You think I want to see my best in Dunum. Na me cannot hear the temptema. Na ya de one me ya address am. What I ba ko no say, you be say a computer lab and science lab Emma Mufrano. When me ya address am ya papa no yi then you like na say. Thank you. Enti eno ina abia for kwanso. It means yes, ye near Massa, make Cassa Bibri, make Cassa and Wale, Sikanti and Amebai, Sikanti and Amebai. It now may also free the Mamma Fanco Bible get to me. Now, Sukrisu, Ocas, and now you're never in every now Mary by Rossi near Obesemubia 1 year. Mobia, Umpa, Nayo. Who's now for Mamma, the editors can offer memoir. Teacher never come back with my hand. If you are a sick enemy, for Brasima, Major Man is a BBC, my very say, I will see a function. The Bigisica. Mobile. Na yen CM down. Na yen CC. Father Febesia. My man, Pon Febesia. Empty so. Na Ubia. Memo. You were all microphone, and why ain't you in the crowd? And some Fabaco. I was here from Damas. It's a brother. Me Penia, BELCOF. The bow heavy, especially one shop BC, Craven, or for her. Oh, Boami. Men shall sing theatre. Me Penia. Of why you be a man who said the panel. Now this year, within a moment, 1,000 Ghana. Pet. I don't know. So. Oh, who said Ghana? I mean, said Ghana will be 1,000 Ghana. Mental. Oh, 1,000 cities. The person who are welcome. 1,000 Ghana cities. Year, library, campus, and the computer lab. 1,000 Ghana cities. Over to me, Mama was so cry major. Over to your check, I'm a major. PTA chairman, everyone have a down. 1,000 cities. The can't pen American A. I just go many more. And I saw them as a hello. Make person better be ready. Miss Answers a microphone. Hello. Oh, Pamcho, sorry. Okay, Mama 500 Ghana cedis. Mama 500 Ghana cedis. Wait till you sir. Mama 500 Ghana cedis. That one. 500 cedis. 500 Ghana cedis. Now you have a BELCOF. Now you computer lab and the science lab. MFMO. Wow, wow. Nipa bear the basa correct to make our who know the other 500 cedis. But just remember. Who is coming? Who is the next first person to give me 500 cedis? 500 Ghana cedis. Now you have a BELCOF School Complex. I must get 500 before I move on. Hello, 500 cities. The opposite of what BELCOF.
Okay, no, okay, now we're near two. What activity two? Senior, or a banner. Maybe I should have a job and
I was saying, I want not get it to give you 500 Ghana cedis. Such an August occasion. 500 Ghana cedis. Just want a single person, one person. If only Papa no problem on 500 Ghana cedis. 500 cedis. Yes, 500 cedis. We were 15 minutes. We used 5 minutes for 500 Ghana cedis. The rest of 10 minutes. But 500 Ghana cedis. Hello. Hello. Bacho Yemra. 500 cities. 500 cities. I was saying 500 Ghana cities now. Maybe 200 Ghana cities. I'm saddened by what is going on. I'm 200 Ghana cities, 200 cities. $200 Ghana cities, not over 200. $200 cities, 200 cities. I'm sure. 200 cities, many two. 200 cities, 1,000, 1,500, 200 cities, there's over. 200, many two. 200 cities. Sorry, brother, anything. As a major to the new. 200 cities. 200 many people too. I didn't say many African. Hello, 200 Ghana cities, sorry, brother. And I'm now coming to my best school fees. We have made 200 Ghana cities. Just as I'm coming to my best school fees, they 200 Ghana. And I said, as I'm organic. Some organic. I saw for the because the people who we are celebrating is a work in my best school fees here. Maybe 200 Ghana cities. I'm 100 Ghana cities. But one. Then first school fees are 7. I'm 100 Ghana cities. 100 cities. 100 is sorry, 100 sorry, 100 sorry, 100 cities. 100 cities. I'm sure. I'm sure. But 100 cities here in 10. Next time I'm ready 10 minutes, I can 5 minutes. Is it safer or is safer? Oh, okay. So what's safer? It's 5,000 safer. I saw only 5,000 safer. I don't know what type of safer it is. 5,000 safer. Papa, I'm sure. Many 100 Ghana cities, 100 cities. For 50 libras, sorry, for 50 Ghana cities, 100. Seller, yes. I saw my brother coming. Papa, I'm sure. Thank you. No, sir, you are the Papa. 100 cities. Pacha for 50 cities in the sorry, 50 cities in the I have 5 minutes. Mama, Yamisha. Oh, 100. Yamisha. What can I say? Kamen Kasi. Mama, Yamisha. 50 cities. What can I say? Kamen Kasi can be a young trip. How we can't really share ability. Mama, Yamisha. Hey, Pokia, why am I being put Yanka? Measure that the Jeff in Jam. Mama, Yamisha. 50 cities, Papa, oh, my yard, Mama Yamisha. Sister Yamisha, Mama Yamisha. 50 cities, Fabra. Major 50. Baby, I want to pay say, baby, I want to home. 5 for me, my home. And yeah, baby, want to go for you. Yamisha, oh, my brother. Right. Pension, come on, 50 cities, 50. 20 days, I'm Fabra. Oh, baby, we just can't keep them, sir. Watch out 20 cities, sorry, 20 to be answered, 20, sorry, I'm going to break. We went yes, Ebra. You haven't even performed, but you have paid. Why are they? Yamisha, Yamisha. Who are you? One is Yamisha. 20 cities, no man. Who are you? One is Yamisha, 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 Yamisha. Oh, my man, I want to know Yamisha. 20 cities, Yamisha. I'm Yamisha. I'm about her now. When you know, why are they? Yamisha. 20 cities, February. 20 cities. Me, my 5. Becca 10. 10 one, I make a 5. Remember, my 2 and 5 are my mama. Names. 20 cities. I saw about the whole nature since 2017. You wouldn't do it. I'm sure. I'm missing. I'm sure. Why? I'm missing. I'm sure. I'm left with 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, for 10 nebra, 10 nebra, for 10 nebra. I want to maybe 10 cities, 10 cities, 10 cities. Sister about 20. Why are they? Because I can't remember. Sister, because we can't 10. 20 cities. Hey, 10. Ready 10. I'm sure. Who shall I tell you? 10 cities, sorry, na break over. Soon sorry, 10 cities, 10 cities, 10 cities, sorry, Yanko. Oh, who must get there? Come here, you man. I'm one of them. Good, good, good. I am done. You can see 5 for the minute. And I'm Indian, sir. I'm in Kubisa, the letter 7 years. Eh? Okay, I have 1 minute for 5 for the to me. 5 on the day, China February. Only 85. Over there, for 5 months, for 500, sorry. What else are you going to give me your 5 cities, sorry. Sorry, who's the main 5, mark and 5 months over. You can say 5 cities, but never 5 cities, 5 cities. One girl, God bless you. 5 cities, sorry. I don't come here. Hey, what is it? Good. 5 cities. Pastor Marian, what can I say? Make 5, mark a 5. Right, Marian. How much for the man who said, move back to you? What's my one about 21? I'm in Shem. BELCOF School Management, and I was a queen what I must say. Then we see Ghana and also. Grandpa Jabba, one of them. What's it? What's the woman who was stolen what you are when the grounds were so? What's it? Mama also watch when I'm in shop. Pastor Mary, when I'm in shop, yeah. 2 Ghana citizens mean if I could. No, mean. Then by one said, I come out when I'm a BELCOF School. What your school fees? I was in there 50, 100, 200. Until you have one shop. When I'm here until the name of Tea. And you saw them who told Louis Kawaska. My wife listen. Baby, be a wee, what the poor, Yamia to man, as what the poor, and Titoy, ever to be because when Yamin also. Until be a was here, was the answer what the person was sit up for a potential our baby, some feather. It is a poor, am I a man so, and Yamin shall. So we, Omani, I don't suppose to be be in Pima, separation was only for Frasi, and a won't call. Omana the Montoso. Amen.
Amen. Yabada young PTA chairman, I say. Eraden share no be brave. Na Eraden share obi biara ofi Akuapem e boa fundraising no. Akropong share mo nyina. Se wo hwe me nsam e wo ha Mikra and Homa Febi. Now, and then the brochure for today's program. Now, so we share brochure anymore. Class be a tram for me. They try or share for all class or no account. And to all for Biara or ha. Or a top back na ode amawoba ofia na wabuem na wahwe ne ho e wo book mu enye obia na onya opportunity say new phone ebeba ehumam. This is a lifetime opportunity. Tobacco na fama woba na ofia wahu on ne classmates and ne madam na wankasa nso kra wahu ocheche ni kwa ochre oba no ade 20 Ghana cedis. 20 Ghana cedis. Young person never buy a thing cry. It's very affordable. So ne buy a opiara insa ebeka bako. 20 Ghana cedis. Mesrao, uba mechi hai ewo hobe bree. Tobacco ema uba eye adia from 50 years from now. Obeka is 50 years ago, now our school brochure. Mr. Mbri, Inti Brekia Boko, Obananti Boko of her, now Waba, now Wabichi B. And then Juma Yeti come a anniversary. Now, anniversary nature is so. Your Mofra went to me about home modding. Asha Musui, every school as you came. Yabasa Yasho when you yam. Now, Yabasa when you yam, dear. There's yet to be a graduation ceremony. Name show bra. Emra Warrior now one or 3 hours at the senior high school. Into Yadu graduation ceremony, a part 2 of the program. Now, answer na Yabashasino, Yabatu and Sa Afre head master. Mr. Ofori Bedu Emmanuel. Now, I'm in this speech. Emra Ibabaye graduation ceremony. Yede in Sembo any day ever welcoming Mr. Ofori Bedu Emmanuel, who is a headmaster, senior citizen. MC Bidas. Mr. Chairman, paying for my shield. You were one my school. Yametani said, school no, director speech, or chair and say, I have level at the sun. Your preschool, near our primary school, and your JHS. Let's start everything. JHS. JHS for near Nipa 6. 6 no more. Boys in here 2 and 4 girls. Nancy and I will portray. That is a Nana. That is a school. A report. By 5 years time, a senior tertiary institution at home. Yemi no, you were class 6. I am primary school. Almost Griapo, JHS. Almost 17. Almost 17. Jeffrey primary school next, you were preschool. Preschool here, every crèche, baby, KG2. Preparing KG2 for now. Or remove apple primary. Now primary for so move apple JHS. But you can't and JHS also remove apple. I think graduation I have to be a son. Yeah, me can say now 5 years and not 2 years to come now. Yeah, SSY. 5 years, near tertiary institution. Now, to me, I agree to come now. Two free school are now go baby. That's my vision and mission. With a massive. Oh, my more self can say Emma headmaster. Yo, Yabasan so at the headmaster Sibio. Na Utimi will say BELCOF School Complex and it's Adumuno can be likened to that of Akosobo International and the rest. And the Air BELCOF, and so ebe replicating that idea in Akuapem North. Samre Yagusu Edijumeno Yanya Etilofo Ekukudam Wabeka Ensa. Except what I said, Meda Wendy actual na Nidia Wonina Yadiama. Samri Ghana Hangina young former IGP, young former IGP. Ayan Yere Abba Abeka and Sawa. Mumaya fans and book say, and she Mrs. Asante appear to. Oh, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Very beautiful woman by all standards. Sanso and I Sanso Aka Ayan Akuapem to Funyine Apeja Hine. Oye di Paketwa, Akuapem to Funyine Apeja Hine. Getting some more Ebeshia Nana or Kreku or Grandpa. Woman wants some Nana or Kreku or Grandpa. Nana Yankwada Mrs. Apitu Emamuna Papa. Yabatia Jumedineso. BELCOF, you're training Mufanina. Now you're training in a multi-dimensional manner. Just say you're the one refer here. Into your warm from Mufra, you're training on that you want to be Miss Ghana. Miss Africa, Miss World. Now, said a bit number Mudia, not as I say if you are saying them. In the same way, you have a modeling. Messer, Mufreba Modewa, Obiara Oba Kauno, only 20 Ghana cities. Albert Obanis, 20 Ghana cities. Albert Obanis. In the same way, worry about the name, the DJ. Get your symbol, get it. We want to welcome our beautiful, extremely beautiful queens. Wow. Oh, that's so beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. So the floor is officially open. Oh, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Oh, move us, come move on this one. Oh. Oh, Sally baby. I do. Sally baby on the floor, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Sally baby on the floor. Let's welcome our beautiful queen. Michelle. Michelle baby. You cannot be left out, please. You're so beautiful, lady. This is my love for you. Baby, I'm enjoying it. Chana, baby. But do you? Wait. No, Equia. That was beautiful, Equia. Oh, Lord Jesus, kid. Oh, we just got to find somebody, ladies and Michelle Obama, yeah. Michelle Obama. Where you from, Michelle? Oh. God has done. Emmanuel, baby. Emmanuel, hold on. Emmanuel, take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. DJ, bring your music down. Program no, I am there. I am fair. My best friend will be brave. I'm going to chica crazy. I don't will be brave with you. Yes, no, why? Won't come with you, my baby. I will be out of program be out of Nipa and Poo. And yes, and that is a program no, and you're fair. Program I fair. And I don't poo but gum. Evershania Ecoso. Now, you better win us to say what you are cinema quality. So, Mr. DJ, if you're ready, you're number one on the show. Emanuela baby, ni mame wai. Emanuela mame wai. But to sika kuni so. Oh, Emanuela baby. Ah. But yeah, no more was singing out of me. No more was singing out. We are more over me. Okay, let's go. Oh, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. So beautiful, baby. Ain't she baby? Ain't she baby? Ain't she my mirror? Ain't she my mirror? Oh, you're looking so beautiful, baby girl. You're so beautiful, baby girl. Cassandra, Cassie baby. Oh, Cassie baby with the pony. Cassie baby with the pony. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Cassie baby. Cassie baby. Cassie baby. Hey, yeah. Michelle baby. Oh, my beautiful face, you got. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say I'm a girl like mine. All right. What I need you. Ladies and gentlemen, man, give a fair. We cannot leave the boy child out. 18 married man in 80 yeah, married man so. Let's go. Handsome guys. Eba. Obana oba oma betu sika gunuso. Woyia. Obia be family na oni na be model fe. Mutu sika mu wanso. Ladies and gentlemen, your number one MC original energy on the dance floor.
Yeah, well, Mr. Can touch like I don't know, so I'm in lock up the place. DJ, if you're ready, let's kick it. Let's go. All right, let's program na yɛn mu ne bɛyɛ yɛn mu fi ma ɛri yie nanso yɛ bɛ sɛ sɛ wɔbɛkɔ akyi ɛyɛ sɛ anaw a wɔwɔ akyi no wɔnyɛ bi hwɛ wɔn obiara pɛ sɛ wɔbu ne ba na ɔpɛ sɛ na ne ba pɛfɔmi na ɔtumi bɛtu sika bu ne ba so yɛda mu nyinaa sisɛ mo ate ase na wɔgye atum sɛ mbɔkɔ akyi ama yɛn mama program na yɛ fɛ oh awɔfo no we can never do this program without you and the summary Mr. DJ if you're ready. If you're ready, the next contestant, handsome boy by all standards, is about to model on the floor. DJ, let's go.
Fresh boy.
Okay, another dance. This one is called once again.
Oh, this is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen.
And we go have a lot of fun.
Okay, the next person is about to come. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Give them.
La present is gone. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise. Last but not least, the only white man in the building.
The only white man in the building. Who wants to see the result? Who wants to see the result? Who wants to see the result? All right, Mr. DJ. Program no, are well organized. At your chef, I had the papa. Baby, I dream. I am 19 now. Obia, I want the partner. Oh, you need to make some noise. Obia, I want the partner. And see, over our partner. Now, no partner, but you have a coming for me. You coming for me. And see, Sammy, Obia, call up for the partner. Obia, go. All of you should go for your partner. Go there. Go for your partner. Let's go. So you are going to model and go and start there. Keep the music consistent. Keep the music consistent. Okay, so let's go. You are going this way. Listen to me. You are going this way. Then you go and start there. All right. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, go. Next set of couples. Oh, that's so nice, ladies and gentlemen. Next set of people. Next set. More music on trendybeats.com. Next set of couples. Okay, let's go. Go. This one is for one leg. That is not for one leg. Everybody's dancing. Let them go dance for one leg like this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the program is still in progress. Next set of couple. Where are they? They should come.
When we dey walk out for road, you dey flex with some ladies. When we there for house, you gonna tell me some knowledge. Say my back too small. You want a bola bola. You stay feeling like you never come across. More music on trendybeats.com.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Let me see my comedy. My birthday for me. You got me, my What's your say? Baby, I can, but still I'm feeling sad. They wear me down, but the way I fly comes out. I know that's house. Now my face you go look that man. But I mean now I'm not like that. It's slow. Do me slow, my vida. Do the fast, they go. Alright. Take us slow, my vida. Now your love I want. It's time, my thank you so much, Mr. DJ. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. When the baby I say, I'm afraid Juma already know. I so special, I so classic. Na every time here, na I work for, and so I say it to my man who said, "Now what you know, I saw you need na your door." And the Ophobia or Bawahano, Monsieur, or the Vesica Cassibia Breme, or the Kangana series. But I want me bow. DJ Mami Nyoma and that form Boko. DJ me back. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate. So me celebrate. And you are the who's carrying a 2 pen off our one alcohol. You ever say we bring the home. Your best situation there. Ever say we back up and you're fair. And the DJ celebrate tonight. By saying you know. Let's go. Only 10 Ghana man over for back. 10 Ghana cities. Then you come for your work. Your person back now or Babikina go but oh yeah that's it. Now so bad for now in the call. Wow, Daddy loves you so much. My Obama who say oh don't know. My Obama who say oh don't know ni pem. It's only to bet now I go for Oba fe only to man no for Oba. Only to man no for Oba fe. And BELCOF parents we are so nice. We are sure so BRM percent. The Babaka go. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Parents, you are so cooperative. You are so hardworking. You are so beautiful. We love you so much. Oh, Mr. DJ, celebrate tonight. Let the music flow. No one for fair. And say Obaka Gum. No, that can never happen here. And say Obaka Gum. Parents know Sikashamu, and we have to use social engineering to retrieve the money. We are going to use social engineering. Thank you, henceforth. Oh, thank you so much, parents. You are so cooperative. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, thank you so much, Mr. DJ. DJ, DJ for Nasiba, sound really clear. We are going, if I say DJ in selections, 8 on top of 8. We don't have so much time yet. You don't get to play mic in piano and say a song. Some really poetry recitals. We are all the graduates will come. Then we'll do a song illustration. So if they are ready. So we want to welcome Smiles to do a poetry recital. Thank you so much.
talk for a bit, but it's over until the moment you quit. On the reverse view, failures are the plan. Take one step at a time to reach its bounds. Don't give up on your dream. Chase it instead. You find one morning as you wake up from bed that you are the best who you dream about. You can reach great heights, impossible though it seems. When things go wrong and your back is at the wall, try to stand up. No more can you fall. Life is full of ups and downs. Take them to your stride. Discover a little star hidden inside. Thank you.
Oh, Omeyamo is a man. Omeyamo is a man. Smiles, baby. And Mammy, I am for. Mammy, I am pepe. It smiles. You are good to go. The next person should come. The next person. Yabasrena noise in the mirror from Kakra, it's up the brain. Depending on anyone, baby, so far so good, you have been so cooperative. Oh, where is that ma ayoyi? Oh, I love you so much, BELCOF mothers. Parents, and we are so special. You don't even waste time at all. Oh, you want to come you mommy way. You mommy way, you papa way. Yo, Nana, you see the beauty, Manfred, as a Musubi, Oba, Abba, who on the youth, as in your best hour, sitting now, would be at Mama, a bit more in my end. Some graduates, every back. Yo, want to be a young graduates, and the one new to Beba, Nansa, no, you will coach troop. Young coach troop, young mamre, to be our marriage today. It's a culture troop. It is what can I check? What can I check? And to some reason, so every so. Now, when you be I'm going to share my phone and school and you now. Some culture troop. Now, I'm going to do my kaka and the Amaye. put on my missile. That's how I know put on my missile. Munchane. Munchane. Ah, 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 ah. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This is so beautiful. Let us say, I don't know my issue. One of the very said, net to be I have a fair. Now, I don't know so comprehensive. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a very beautiful program by all standards. Cultural display by BELCOF School Complex. Beautiful performance by the children. Graduation. And you very welcome me young graduates now. Now I'm my song administration. Now I am Director of Education. This is your name or Deputy Director in charge of supervision and monitoring. Mr. Nicholas Kabudako, repeating a name now that your graduation ceremony. And in summary, young graduates, if you're ready, the floor is ready for you. But before you come, hold on. Dancers, I saw our sound. Yeri tiri hwɛ and I won't kɔtena saa kɛkɛ. Wɔn a wɔwɔ ha nyinaa wɔn awofo nso wɔ ha. Na program yi yɛ na awofo a na ɛyɛ. Ansa na graduates bɛba no, awofo biara a wɔba wɔ ha, wɔde 10 series. Wɔde bɛhyɛ ne nsam a na wɔabɛfa wɔn ba. Yɛbɛsrɛ nyinaa DJ, wɔbɛma yɛn nnwuma da fam kɔkɔɔ. Na wo a wɔba wɔ ha biara, wɔbɛbrɛ me 10 series. Na wɔafa wɔn ba akɔtena ase. So one man, Emma, Obano, Abodi, DJ Manu Kopo. Obano, everybody. Now, Waba, now we need to go. And who is coming? What did you pay? Now, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We need to pay where you are. We are doing this to support the school, to raise funds, to make the school efficient. Obia, may be back on they have done so, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want anybody to left out. Go for your kids. Go for your kids. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. DJ. Over to me, my name is Akropong. Summary, any young one, say ready. And the best friend now went to the Kwampo. I'm a walk. The brow, what you want to Eriba. Or why for ye? So back and one our graduate was the best of the Since you, this is a big achievement in the life of a child. Now, it's a BELCOF School Complex. You can hear Pue, now you can continue. I'm afraid you are graduating a certificate and HSA graduating from the school. And Sandra, my hardworking teachers are ready for you. Let your graduates troop in. Mama, you welcome you all. Get in some more. So each child is going to have a certificate, and we have some special awards to be given to performing students. Okay, thank you so much. You best now at your chef for no and arrange one neatly. Your patcha won't arrange one for fair. Obian, you'll be any lies of a fair. But for Obian, pay attention. Today is a special day in your lives. Obia Beji certificate for graduating from KG to class 1. Thank you so much. Mr. Chairman, I want to now invite Deputy Director in charge of monitoring and supervision to come and lead us through the graduation ceremony. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Nana, teachers, Director of BELCOF School Complex, parents, ladies and gentlemen. We come to an important point in this celebration. And we are now coming to present the certificates to our graduates. KG1, KG2, and now that we are going to P1, is a turning point in their education level. So on this note, we congratulate them for successfully completing their KG education. We hope that our parents will take very good care of them, our teachers, now that they are going to P1 to continue their education. And before we present their certificates, Nana Chair, we will allow them to give us a song indicating that they've really gone through their PG education. So without wasting much time, we'll let them sing the song, and then after that, we present them with their certificates.
Want to invite Reverend to pray for us as we give them certificates.
Abusiafo brasbe mo pa da wase na metu ko awie so adom ne mo mo da wase e ma ye mbai e bra wo ko ani mo mo ne suo bi yeso nyansa ne adom ye mpa bo se wo wurade akasa ye e bia wo biara wotuma ye nkune mu difo aba hwehwe nchima ye mpa bo se fa mo ka wo fo so ne ado wo de se so ma ye nhua wonya me fa hwe bo fa ye hye wo ne mo Yesu Kristo ni mo amen. Abusiafo ye ni wona sa ho brasbe mo ara ebre no ko mpenye nyantena se ache ese ye baye mo so on Friday, 40 number. If you are to present
certificate to them one after the other. We're going to spend more than 30 minutes to 1 hour. So we are pleading with you. Say, yeah, the certificate to the Bama of. Please bear with us. Please bear with us. I'm a chairman. You present your point and the certificate number. You say it's a present our doors. Program on Tiago, Yabamo. Nanasi.
And then go for something. And then go for something. Maria, are you question? Solomon Babre. Samuel Sex Babre. Samuel Sex Babre. Wow, very smart one. Sorry, I'm not following. Sandra Amasafwa. Zumbi Ali. Zumbi. William Ajman. Ayi Sarafi. Priscilla Esther Monson. Priscilla. Elisha. Elisha. Nigel. Right. Right. Right Asa. Yoga. That's all. July. Gerald. What? Stephen. Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Aside Samoa. I don't worry about it. Aside Samoa. Fianco na nafasi. Fianco na nafasi. Santos Rodale. I will come at you now. It's not a table menu. I say, I just want to make one. It's not a new way. Jason. Sure. Alan Murphy.
Feminim. Feminim. Try.
Smile, smile.
Thank you so much, sir. The next presentation goes to some service teachers who have worked with us for the last 8 to 10, almost 13 years. And if you have a kind of number for Madame Reka, Jeffrey. Madame Becky. Madame Grace Ousu. Grace. Sir Ebenezer Isaac. Razak Idris. Madame Stella. Madame Rosina Addo. Rosina Addo. Madame Mary. Mary. Yes.
Thank you very much, Director. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you the 2022 graduates of BELCOF SCH, 40 in number. Yama Obia certificate I said, Waba BELCOF. Now we're passing Ako Primary 1. I want for Mufrei Abo Umodi Papa. Enti Edum Pempeso say ya. Na awofo yen so ya hye wo nyam. Na ya da odo edi ya hye wo. Enti mu fa ne mu tie mi. Obia ma ni certificate ne so nkyere. Nipa na e ka hye obia ma ni certificate ne so nkyere. Certificate that actually say what passing from KG to class 1. Kindly raise up your certificate. And so, over 5 Ghana cedis. 5 Ghana cedis. But I'm not bored. What the 5 cedis back? No be you back. Okay. More than I want to. Now, what to me, I go to I will from now I need from body 7. Now, what to me, I'm passing. But I will put the million 10. Million 10 Ghana cedis. Whereby popular request. And Mr. Mo, over you one alcohol. Mr. Mo, this is to generate income for the school where internally generated fund. What about pet the way you back? What about pet the way you back? And here I'm February and I'm ultimately completing a passing. Into Papa, I was you young to Yo, what about pet now for you? Oh, thank you, Madam Police.
police do maximum security. Maximum security. Oh, another officer is here. I salute you. Your maximum security. Oh, yes, so. Parents, they are what make you back. Yes, sir. And sister will be back our. Thank you so much. You have done very well, parents. BELCOF, we are so cooperative. From the beginning of the program up to this time, you have really cooperated with us so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Obia Meiba. Obia Meiba. After my friend too, now on our phone. Thank you very much. Next on the program is going to be a song ministration by BELCOF Praise Choir. BELCOF Praise Choir will give us a song. After that, we will take off a tree. Then the chairman's closing remarks. Then announcements. BELCOF School Choir will give us a song ministration, after which we will take the offering. And see, what you know, DJ Aforeno will take the offering as a sing. And see, from say a few program as you know, more contributing Papa their supporting program now. And see, what you know about for it last month. Where last for it. So what would you say that actually on Sabeka? You are investing in your child. That should be very productive to you. Example, that was Ruba. Uma in you are, give it to the end yourself. Now, a day I go for it. I'm sure you're for it. And it will be a story. With the exception of the ITO. Will be a story. Now on the now forever. Everyone, for you, be on fire for you. I'm for you. Okay, 2 times. But you're for you. much, Kwan. Thank you so much. We're very grateful to you. Thank you very much, police choir. Ladies and gentlemen, all too soon, we are coming to the end of the entire program. We had a chair whose mandate is to ensure that this program will run smoothly. At this juncture, I want to hand over the microphone to Honorable Chair to give us his closing remarks. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we with a round of applause welcome Dr. Note Kwashi Omabo. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, director, MC, Eko, Lady can, Madam Comfort and Kasawa, but Lady Nayako and someone, they said, without that vision, without that vision, BELCOF would not be here today. Think Kasabi, Lady Nayako, Koso, now, maybe for the last 20 years, before graduation ceremony, Roman School, or BELCOF, and said, what was she have to do? And he said, aha, the multiplicity, multi-dimension, which is a woo and yet cadet who, near one year, discipline, focus, French food, near one year, interesting, creativity, yet can building the future, the bright future. And yet of Ramon one bright future. Now BELCOF's bright future is also guaranteed. And we said, for Friday, the school will go ahead. If the school is progressing, the students will also go ahead. Now parents also, the so. For Friday, that's one hour everything. Director Kasai, okay, see, projects, and that school level. Now, yes, you can see everywhere. Oh, and I table, I get it. But in chair, we grab and go with some. And say, Misha, oh, I'm not going for it. What's it? Why are they? 2,000 E-campus. Oh, we are why in nation. What's it? 1,000. Mrs. Asante, $1 million US dollars. Every $200. Putting back mega and cinema, and then 3,000 and over. Nana, and I'm considering 1,006 on that account. And William named Michael Vanderbilt on also by Hong Kong. 15,000 dollars on that. Now, that's the big minimum. Yes, $20,000. Now, 42,000 dollars. I think, why are they? BELCOF, graduating class, congratulations. Why are Papa? Teachers, congratulations. Management, congratulations. May God continue to bless the school, wisdom, enlightenment, and discernment. God bless you all. With us.
Oh, but my more and some can say, Emma Nanache, Dr.
no say kwashi or mabo. Achepeyine of a monochrome and Imputugine of Akuapem. Nana watches away Imputugine Ampa. You better high table was celebrating. Ewo ni awaye ede aboa ede dwuma yi. Yewo abofra bi wo school ha. Samre ayena na che representing on behalf of the high table.
On behalf of the high table, 2,000 Ghana cedis.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. We now invite SB to give us the vote of thanks. A round of applause to SB.
I am very grateful to be called upon to give the vote of thanks for this special occasion. First and foremost, I would like to give thanks to the Almighty Father for making this occasion a memorable one. The second thanks goes to the chairman, Dr. Nana Norte and his team for gracing this occasion, and also to the school management, teaching, non-teaching staff, parents, and my able colleagues, and to all those present here. We say a very big thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you very much, SB. I'll now invite Reverend Father Canon Nathan Dodu to give us the closing prayer. Bibiara wo hyase na wato mo kwa wiba e do bi hyase wo na mo dom so ma kwa wiba ni aya wo ye fe ene da wase e je bibiara hyɛ wo nsa ne aka no ye pa bo se ma wado bo wo nyam ye pese adofo no mo ne abusuafo e ba bo atwa yi tayi na beti na gwa wo rekwa se ne wo na mo dom so ne wo pa wo ko do so bi na ye hyɛ wo ye pregya so ku nsu hyɛ wo nsa ye pa bo se eni so ade wu biara no wo ra me me na wu afei je awo fo so hyɛ wo nsa ne wo ne wo nsa so me ye hyira when you be friendly with it, but when me and one do you say, but I'm feeling for them. We young people say, "Oh, Papa, if he is to be so much, and any Japan, they are so with me." The other was yes to be so with you. Amen. Yabanda also for us summary announcement.